Hello friends, welcome to Success Learners channel. My name is Balaji. From today onwards, we are going to publish some videos regarding the Arduino projects based on the Internet of Things. So before going to publish these videos or projects, I would like to share something information regarding these Arduino boards. So first of all, we have to think, what is Arduino? Arduino is an open source electronic platform based on easy to use hardware and software. Arduino boards are able to read input from the sensors and turn it into an output based on the code which we provide. We can write this code using the Arduino IDE software. It is also an open source software. We can download it from Google. Coming to the history of Arduino. Arduino was born at Ivory Interaction Design Institute, which is used for easy tool for fast prototypes aimed at students, teachers. So let me give some examples, example projects based on this Arduino, like building a robotic hands and tiny weather monitoring displays and providing a fingerprint fingerprint scanner for your homes, etc. Like this type of so many projects can be done using this Arduino boards. So why should we choose this Arduino? Next question is, why should we choose this Arduino? Thanks to its simple and accessible experience. Firstly, Arduino has been used in thousands of different projects and applications. So the Arduino software is easy to use for beginners, yet flexible enough for advanced users too. It runs on all operating systems. That's what it makes very easy, and students, teachers, all types of category people can use this. Why? Because of its low cost. And coming to the parts of Arduino, before going to start these parts, I would like to start with the power sources. So how should we provide power to the Arduino board? There are two types of power sources availability in this Arduino. They are like power USB slot. So this USB slot is used to connect the Arduino board with the computer using a USB cable here. So in this way we can provide power to our Arduino board. And the next one is power barrel jack. So using this power barrel jack, we can directly connect this to the AC mains power supply. So most of the cases we are not going to use this power barrel jack. We are going to use this USB cable, USB slot to connect with a computer and to dump the code from the computer. And the third part is voltage regulator. As it always do, its function is to control and stabilize the voltage given to the Arduino boards. And the fourth one is crystal oscillator. So the function of the crystal oscillator is to help the Arduino in dealing with the time issues. So coming to the next one, like Arduino reset pin. So the function of this reset pin is used to reset the board and start your program from the beginning. That's it about this reset pin. And coming to the pins, like there is a pin called 3.3 volts that is used to supply the 3.3 output volt, and 5 volts pin like supplying the 5 volts output, and ground pin, this is going to act as a ground, and VIN, this is an external power source like AC mains. We are going to drive that power from this VIN. And coming to the next one, like analog pins, there are 6 analog pins These are used to get the analog sensors, to drive the analog sensors like humidity sensor or temperature sensor. Some of the analog sensors we are going to use this analog pins. And coming to the most important part in this Arduino board, it is none other than the microcontroller. In the Arduino Uno board, we are going to use Atmega. So this is like the brain of your board, and it is going to take care of all the things going to happen in your board. Like basically it's from the Atmel company. From before the program is going to dump into this microcontroller here, and it is going to take care of all the things happen in this board. And the next one is power LED indicator. This is just to indicate that your board is powered up correctly or not. So that's it. And coming to the transmitter and receiver LEDs. So whenever we are going to transfer the or receiving data from the Arduino board, these LEDs used to glow to indicate that the data is transferring. And coming to the digital input and output pins, these are also this plays a very important role in this Arduino board, and these pins are used to connect the digital input output sensors to the Arduino board. And that's all about these parts present in this Arduino. So that's it guys. Let us stop this here, and if you have any doubts regarding these parts and the use of this Arduino board, please let me know in this comment section. Thank you.